What's up, guys? Today I'm building a Lego helicopter. There's no instructions, but on this very video, yes you, will have instructions for this. You need 2 blue Lego rectangles, 2 any of your color yellow squares. I'm choosing yellow. 2 of these 12 by 1s, and they're thick, as you can see. And then 1 6 by 2. This one's dirty, but the one on here isn't. And that's, and then you will also need 2 of any color 1 by 6s. I'm doing yellow and white, but whatever color you do, you should probably get a white and a red or black or whatever color you're using. Then, now we can get building, right? Yeah. So, take your 2 blue, and then take 2 yellow, the rectangles. Then you put them like the cross over them, each other, like the 2 Legos is that way, and then the 2 Legos is that way. So like that. Then place the other blue and a yellow. Then we will take another rectangle and put it right here. Put it 3 little Lego circles into it so it has 1 rim around it. Then take a Lego square and put it right there. Then take this piece, put it right there. Now we'll take another one of these, put it there. Take another one of these, put it there. Then we'll stop right there. And now we'll do this. Put this piece here, a square. And just so you know, this is what it looks like. You still have this thing. Pause the video if I'm going too fast though. Then you put that square on. It's just a square. Then you put a rectangle figuration like that right there. Then you make this thing a square and a 4 by 2. It's just a rectangle. And you clip that on right there. Oopsie, that fell off. Okay, it was just part of this. Then you're going to put that right there. But first, you need to put in these little 1 by 6s. Remember these? Put the white further on the further end from the blue. Then you push that in until the square stops it, so it looks like that. Then we'll take the 2 of these we have, and we'll take this, and we will put it so it only has 4 of those little circles that way, or anyway from when in your guys' area. We'll do it those with both of the long rectangles, and we will put it right from the area from the blue, as you can see that, except it'll be a different level. It'll actually be under the yellow, so I guess you could say right next to the yellow in that spot. And that is our chopper. This was the first one I showed you. I had to take those off because I couldn't find two, by the way. And I took that off because I couldn't find two. And this is our new one. So you can have a little war if you are able to make two. And like maybe do a few kamikazes with them. You know, just fun life stuff. And see you in the next one. Goodbye.